All right, today I'm going to show you how to wash a small or medium load of clothes in a washing machine. Right here I have a small to medium load of clothing that I need to wash, not quite a full wash, but it needs to get washed tonight. And I'm tired, so I'm gonna make this video brief so I can go to bed because I'm tired. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so right here I have my wash machine. This happens to be a front loading wash machine. So with the front loading wash machine, if I have laundry detergent pods, you would just typically just take one of the pods. I don't suggest you cut it, split it, flip it around. Oh no, whatever you want to do, I don't suggest you do it. Just keep it intact, throw it inside of the drum. It may be a little bit too much detergent for the small load of clothing, but your wash machine can handle it and can rinse it all out. All right, so let's get started. Right now I am Tide, and I'm going to be using Tide laundry detergent to wash my small load of clothes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my clothes and place it inside of the washing machine. Okay, it's placed in there. I'm going to shut it. Now with the front loading wash machine, you go ahead and power it on. And there is a drawer for adding detergent. Now with this, you can add a bunch of different things. You can add powder detergent or liquid detergent. You can add fabric softener. This needs to be washed out. Maybe that's another video. And this right here is where you have bleach. I am not adding bleach to my load right here. And I'm not gonna add softener to it. So I'm just gonna add laundry detergent really quickly because I'm tired. All right, so when it comes to laundry detergent, you should read the instructions, but if you look on the side right here, it shows you how much laundry detergent you should add depending on how big of a load that you have. All right, so it says HE stands for high efficiency. Full loads use it up to the 5 marker. Let me show you what that is right here. So there's a 5 on here. See that? That is for that large, extra large, full load that they're talking about. For just regular large loads, you fill it up to 3. And you can see that on the side of the cup right here, the measuring cup. And for medium loads, they don't have small loads here, but medium loads, you just take it all the way up to level 1. Do you see that? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna find level 1 on the cup, measuring cup. See, it's right there, over there. I'm gonna put, for medium loads, a little bit less. All right, so it's up to 1 right here. So after I add that, I'm gonna add this to the detergent drawer. Just go ahead and pop it in, just like that. And once that's in there, I go ahead and shut this. Okay, I'm gonna shut it just like that. So once it's there, now you're gonna adjust the controls, the settings for the wash machine to do the small load. Okay, so some washing machines has a small load cycle feature, as well as how much water you should apply to the load. It gives you that adjustment. But this wash machine, the Samsung wash machine, doesn't allow you to select how much water goes in there because it automatically detects how much clothing is in there and how much water is required. So with this small load, I'm just simply gonna go to normal, okay? And what I like to do is pick warm or either cold, but since I'm trying to save the world, I'll put eco warm. I'll keep the spin on high, and it's a light, they're not heavily soiled, so I'm gonna go ahead and select this to light, okay? So I have it on that. And I like to do extra rinse to make sure that everything's rinsed out, and then go ahead and press start. And it's simple as that. And that's how you wash a small to medium load of clothing in a washing machine. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.